If you need to connect with someone, allow remote support, or share your device details quickly, the first thing you need is your AnyDesk ID. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your AnyDesk ID in just a few seconds on both computer and mobile. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a computer, launch AnyDesk from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. If you're using a phone or tablet, simply open the AnyDesk app from your home screen or app drawer. Once AnyDesk opens, look at the center area of the screen. You should see a section labeled Your Address. This is the most important part because right under that label, you'll see a number displayed. That number is your AnyDesk ID. Your AnyDesk ID is what other people use to connect to your device. So if someone is helping you remotely, or if you're giving access to a support technician, this is the number you need to share with them. Now, if you want to copy it, just click on the number. On most devices, clicking the ID will automatically copy it to your clipboard. That makes it very easy to paste into a message, email, or chat without typing it manually. If you don't see your address right away, make sure the app is fully loaded and you are on the main screen. In most cases, the ID appears clearly in the middle of the interface, so it should be easy to find. That's really all there is to it. Open AnyDesk, look for your address, and copy the number shown there. Now you know how to find your AnyDesk ID fast and share it whenever you need remote access or support. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.